Welcome to Fear Factor. Each show, 6 contestants from around the country battle each other in 3 extreme stunts. These stunts are designed to challenge the contestants both physically and mentally. If a contestant is too afraid to complete a stunt, they're eliminated. If they fail a stunt, they're eliminated. If they succeed, they move one step closer to the grand prize, $50,000. 6 contestants, 3 stunts, 1 winner.
Fear Factor, baby! Yeah!
I'm Joe Rogan, and this is Fear Factor. The stunts you're about to see were all designed and supervised by trained professionals. They're extremely dangerous and should not be attempted by anyone, anywhere, anytime.
I grew up with 3 sisters, and we're all very competitive. I love fear, and I'm the type of person who can just look fear in the eyes and just go, I want to do this.
I work hard and I party harder. It's like if you're old enough to work hard, you've got to reward yourself with playing hard. So I would do just about anything for $50,000. I've been married for 8 months, and man, that $50,000 could just go to my house. My wife is right behind me, just like pushing me to do 100% all the time.
Yeah, I like to compete every day, whether it's acting or surfing or running. I know the stunts that I'm about to do are going to be scary. I know it'll be challenging, but I like that.
I think I'm a perfect competitor for Fear Factor, despite the fact that my parents are completely frantic in terms of my attempting to do these dangerous stunts.
I think people look at me and think, oh, she's a skinny girl, she's pretty. What they don't know is that I'm athletic, I'm out to kick ass, I'm out to win.
All right. Well, you 6 people have been brought here from all over the country for one reason: to stare fear in the eye as you compete for $50,000. To win the money, you're gonna have to complete 3 extreme stunts. Stunts that'll not only test you physically, but mentally as well. If you are too afraid to attempt a stunt, you'll be eliminated. If you try a stunt but fail to complete it, you're gone. But if you do succeed, you'll move on to the next round and be that much closer to the cash. You ready to see your first stunt?
Yeah, as well.
Your first stunt deals with the fear of drowning. You will each hang on to the skid of that helicopter and try to drop yourself as close to that buoy as possible. Once you're in the water, you will swim over to the buoy and grab the submerged flag, then swim with that flag over to the platform and clip the flag onto the flagpole. The entire time, the helicopter will be hovering overhead, making it even more difficult for you to swim. We have randomly selected who gets to go first, and Jill, you are lucky number 1.
Go, Jill.
You ready?
I'm pumped.
Come with me, let's go. Come on.
Are you good at holding your breath?
No, I don't. Did you really? I almost drowned when I was a little kid, man.
Okay, Jill, you're lucky number 1. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Are you pumped?
Feeling confident. I'm
Feeling
pumped.
confident?
Yeah.
All right, what's your main motivation for doing the show?
Stunts.
She looks like a pretty good swimmer.
She does. She has that triangle shape, dude.
Dude.
You don't, though.
Oh!
It's not too bad.
I got a full head of hair, I'm not worried about
Yeah,
it.
exactly. But come on, the left handles, I gotta.
That's fine.
Good luck. Chandra, what's up with this thing that you have where you're always rubbing on cloth and you have like a little piece of blanket You keep rubbing on cloth.
It's a nervous habit, kind of. It's
Yeah,
actually comforting.
It's comforting to rub on cloth?
It's like a blankie, but it's
Blankie?
really not. And they call it AA. Well, I call it AAing, but my sisters do too call it AAing. So
AAing? So are you gonna keep that with you up until the moment where you're hanging onto the helicopter, or how are you gonna work this?
I don't know. I mean, I'm thinking maybe I can just use the bottom of my shorts.
Okay, there's always something to AA on.
You're good. You're good.
Where is she?
She's on the platform, right over there.
She's on the mat.
What mat?
Oh, maybe I should put you on my shoulder.
All right, remember, the time starts. As soon as she drops into the water, the time stops. As soon as she has that flag clipped onto the flagpole.
That was a nice drop.
Okay, she's pulling up the flag. It's tethered beneath her. All right, she's got the flag. The chopper stays there to cause rotor wash.
Set the bar for you, ladies.
There we go. 1 minute and 41 seconds was your official time. Very good. So what was it like with the rotor wash knocking you around when you're underneath?
It sucked. The helicopter, the noise threw me up, the water blowing in my eyes. The whole time I was swimming, I was just thinking, you suck. I wanted him to go away.
All right, Chandra, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to do some AAing? Come on, let's go. Come with me. Let's do it.
Do this. Good luck.
Chandra, what's happening?
A little nervous.
A little nervous?
Yep.
Was it easier watching someone else go before you?
Yeah, it was, I thought. But
Yeah.
now that I'm down here facing it, I don't know how it
She kicked ass, though. She did
She
really
did.
well.
She did really good.
All right, give me your little thing. What are you calling this?
Banky.
Banky. All right, I'm gonna hold on to your banky, and once you beat 1 minute 41 seconds, I'll give it back to you, and everything will be
Promise.
groovy, right? Promise. Let's get you on the boat.
All right, let's
Chandra was gonna be able to do that?
I didn't think so.
one down. Here we go.
Here comes Chandra! Chandra! 1 minute and 30 seconds. Congratulations! You automatically advance. That's the good news. The bad news is the helicopter blew your banky away. When it was over here, there was like a lot of wind.
I gave it to you.
It went right into the hole.
Whatever.
Got sucked into the hole.
Whatever. I know you have it. You said you wouldn't lose.
She lost.
Look at her. She got all excited.
I did not.
You want it back?
Yeah, please. Thank
Here you go. All right, Min, you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Come on, little one.
All right.
Let's do it.
Good luck.
Do it, do it.
Fall hard from the chopper.
No, man, they say big things come in little packages, but I have to say you are probably the shortest person we've ever had on Fear Factor. How tall are you?
I'm 4'10".
You're 4'10". It says you're 4'8" on this. Wait a minute.
No!
It says 4'8 3/4", you big liar.
No, it's 4'9"
They
and
measured
3/4.
you.
They...
They measured you. Doctors don't lie. I'm 5'8"
They're
and a half.
wrong. I'm
Trust
sorry.
me.
I'm
I know
sorry.
exactly how tall. There's no lying in the doctor's office. Here she goes. Time to beat is 1 minute 41 seconds. Remember, she has to drop to the buoy, get the flag, swim to the platform, and attach it to the flagpole. Oh, very good. Oh, she's going down. She's going under. She's going under the water. Oh, she's quitting. She's quitting. Wow. Jill!
She said.
Jill, congratulations. You advanced.
I was doing fine until the helicopter came, and then all of a sudden, I couldn't keep afloat. I was panic-stricken, and I choked. It was really hard for me to quit. I feel like I've not only disappointed myself, but, you know, all of my friends who actually know me and are thinking, God, man, what are you thinking? You know, you could have done this. It's going to be a long little healing process, but, you know, I'll move on.
All right, Big Sean, what's going on, buddy?
Not too much. It's ready
You're
to go.
number one. Okay, you got a chance to see the girls' times. Best time was 1 minute and 30 seconds. How do you think you're gonna do?
I'll say 1 minute 40.
Do you want Sean or do you want him to be out?
I want Sean to be out. I want Gary to win.
Listen, I'm used to being around nervous people, and Gary just reeks of nervousness.
I'm worried too.
You're very nervous, aren't you? All right, here he goes. He's up. He's having trouble unwrapping the flag.
Good, good.
He can't do it.
He's not gonna do it. Gary, that's lots of time. That's lots of time. Hey, I'm not gonna jinx myself either, but dude.
Sean, what happened, man? What happened?
When I was struggling with the class, all I could say was, God, I just look so stupid. I just knew that it was a simple thing, and I couldn't achieve it right away.
Ryan's next. You rooting for Ryan or you rooting against him?
Do you think you can beat my time?
I think so.
You do?
Let's go.
Yeah.
209.
Oh. You don't think that's going to be a problem?
Sean, you're fumbling, man.
It's all right. Guy, I wouldn't talk yet, bro. You still got to go.
All right, Ryan. You saw Sean's disappointing performance of 2 minutes and 9 seconds. You gonna be able to beat that?
Definitely.
No problem.
No problem.
Now, he was teasing you. He was picking on your love handles and giving you a hard time, man.
It's okay.
Gonna rub it in his face?
Yeah.
Once you
If
send
I
him
had a
home?
receding hairline, I'd be pissed off too.
Oh, you got the flag already?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, yeah.
$143. Oh, you beat him too! Ryan has worked himself into exhaustion, and he's not feeling well, so he's not going to come back up here. So, Gary, your time to beat, 2 minutes and 9 seconds. You beat that, Sean goes home, you advance.
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Come on.
It's nice to beat, man, isn't it?
It is.
It's
Really?
great. Oh, yeah.
Isn't that good?
And then when they're throwing up, that's even better.
All right, Gary, this is it, buddy. Now, I know you have a fear of the water because you had an incident when you were a kid. This is your perfect opportunity to get over that fear.
I want to send Sean home, dude. That's it.
You don't like that, dude?
I don't like him at all, man.
Why don't you like him?
Just a pretty boy, man.
Okay, here we go. If Gary beats 2 minutes and 9 seconds, Sean, you're going home.
Yeah, Sean.
Perfect landing. Got the flag. Shoot. Doggy paddling. Get nowhere.
Please.
Oh, he's struggling. He's struggling. Oh, he's in trouble. That's it. He just quit. Congratulations, Sean.
I just ran into a brick wall and my mind just went blank, overload, body said, stop. I didn't win today, but I did take home that I could face my fears and there's always tomorrow.
Well, congratulations to 3 of you. You advance, you go into tomorrow. Now let's go get Ryan and get the hell out of here. Come on.
My fellow contestants saw me at a weak point, so therefore they're like, oh, he's weak. Oh, he's out. But I think it should only show how intense and how serious I am about winning.
I was first intimidated by Sean and Ryan, but my time was better than any of the guys, and they weren't even close to it. That gives my confidence a huge boost.
In round one, I definitely had problems getting the flag off the clasp, but going into round two, hopefully I won't have any more clasps to deal with. It'll make my life a lot easier.
I think Sean's my biggest threat. He's athletic and he wants to win. I said this from day one, and I'll say it again going into round two. I'm here to kick some ass.
What's up?
What's going on?
What's going on?
How you guys doing today?
Good.
Good? Ryan, welcome back.
Thank you.
Yesterday was a little rough for you.
A little bit.
Did a good job, you got through it, but today we have a special treat for you.
I bet.
Excited.
Today we have a special treat for you.
I bet.
Excited.
Those are slugs. You will each have 4 minutes to eat 10 slugs. And I know you probably want something to wash them down with, right? So we have this. That is bile. Straight from a cow's gallbladder.
Oh my God.
Look at me like you're surprised. This is Fear Factor. Come on. What the hell do you expect? Cotton candy and a glass of Kool-Aid? You will have 4 minutes time in which you must consume your 10 slugs and a shot of bile from a cow's gallbladder. And we have randomly selected who gets to go first, and Chandra, you are lucky number 1. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yep. Five, 6, 10.
10. There you go. Okay, Chandra, is your banky gonna help you here?
No.
No?
Oh, God.
Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. That was a big one. You get through that one, you get through them all.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Who's tough?
She's doing good.
Come on, man.
You can do it. You can do it.
When they get defensive, they excrete a slimy coating.
Are they gross? Really gross? Like, ready to puke gross?
You got 6 left. Come on.
What is this?
Really big. Get rid of that big one.
You get that big one down. That's that one. That's like 3.5 inches right there.
There you go. Come on. Number 7.
There we go.
Hey,
Oh.
you're fine. Come on. Chew it down.
There you go. These girls are tough, man. Yeah.
He's very tough. Come on. Over 2.5 minutes left. Number 9.
Nice. Damn. That's good.
You saved the big boy for the end, huh?
Look at that big boy.
Do it. Chew it up. Chew it up. Come on.
I hate it.
No worse than the other ones. Just do it. This is psychological right here. Just do it. Just force it. There you go.
Come on.
You're fine. Chew and swallow. Chew and swallow. Come on, keep it together.
Okay.
There you go. All right, down that shot and it's over. You're in the finals. Come on, keep it together.
That bile.
Chandra! Look at you. Wow.
It's still like sticky in my mouth.
Yeah,
Huh?
that's the excretion.
All right.
That's the slime. Hey, you know what? You're neglecting your banky. It's on the ground. You
I know,
tossed
she put it on the ground.
Threw it down. Shouldn't do that.
Oh, now the slime juice that was on your hands and the banky.
Did you ever think about quitting?
Mm-hmm.
When?
You did?
The big one.
Big one?
The last one.
You got to the last one, you almost thought about quitting? Before you ate it or once you had it in your mouth?
It's so big.
But you didn't.
No.
You powered through it.
Mhm.
And you are in the finals. Congratulations.
Thank
Sean, you're next.
Thank you, Joe.
You ready? Mm-hmm. On my count. In 3, 2, 1, go. Make sure you're chewing.
Oh, it's really slimy.
That gross.
Jill, you okay?
Thank you. Okay. Oh!
You did it.
You gotta eat it.
Well, come on, let's go. Time's a wasting.
Yeah, he's already dead. He should go down smoother.
Yeah, that's the pre-chewed one.
It's
For real.
It's thick in your mouth. You can't swallow.
Okay, I eat for you.
Oh, that's the 5th one. Number 5.
How much time?
Oh, you're halfway done, but you got 2 big ones left.
Oh!
You got 2
Minute and
big
45
ones.
seconds.
It's not gonna do it.
Come on, bro. You gotta pick it up the pace. She's gonna beat your time yesterday and beat your time today.
I don't care about that.
Minute and a half left, and you still have 5 left. Come on.
She did 10 in a minute and a half.
Come on, bro. Do it.
Oh, you got it.
Come on. You've already eaten a bunch of them. Oh, come on. Throw it back in there. Let's go. You don't have much time left.
This is so bad.
25 seconds. Come on, Sean.
Cut the rope.
Let's just spit, dude. Just go. Go, go, go. Come on. 15 seconds. Sean, don't go. Oh, my God.
Sean, you were so close.
Sean.
I can't do that one.
Sean, what
my
did
God, I
you just
can't
do?
believe you just did
You just
that.
ate 8 of them and you
For
threw in the
nothing.
towel. All right, Sean. Well, I'm very sorry, dude, but I have to send you packing. That's it. It's over. Take care.
Bye, Sean.
What's most disappointing is that I won't be getting the $50,000. I got lucky, you know, going from round 1 to round 2, and I guess today my luck ran out.
Wow. I did not expect that. Ryan?
Yeah?
Are you ready?
As ready as I'll be.
Yummy, yummy, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
All right, Ryan, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, on my count, in 3, 2, 1, go. There's 1.
Yeah.
There's 2. Oh, Ryan's tough with Sean.
Yeah, he is.
3.
Dude,
There's 4.
God, he's a dead one.
There's 5.
First bite.
Oh.
Oh, he did.
Cool. Chew him up, bro. Come on. He knows. 6.
Just reminding him.
Chew it up, dude. You don't want one of those slithering around inside your organs. There's number 7. There's number 8.
Watch. Do you have that stuff stuck in your cheek?
There's number 9. Yo.
that one didn't take
There's
it.
something about seeing part of it hanging out of his mouth that was very disturbing.
Oh, no. Don't do that, please.
Did you like that one?
One big fat boy and a little shot of bile. And that's like, oh, no, he didn't. Oh, no. Oh, he's losing this. He's grossed himself out. Come on, Ryan. Oh, dude. Come on, man. That's not necessary. I'm quite disgusted. Swallow that thing, man. Doesn't look good. All right, you got less than a minute left. Down a glass of bile, and that's it. Down. Ryan. Welcome to the finals.
Thank you.
Let's see that tongue again, Ryan.
Oh, my.
It's really
And
slimy.
it doesn't leave.
The worst part is the slime
Yeah.
gets all over your tongue and you
can't-
can't feel anything.
Wow.
Like a condom.
I don't know what that's like. Dirty girl.
Not in your. Okay.
Anyways.
No comment. I
No
think we're
comment.
friends on that one.
All right, Jill, stand up straight. You're on camera. You want to look pretty?
This is pretty.
Come on. Now, you're an entomologist, right? You're studying to be an entomologist? You got a degree in it?
Yeah, I have a degree.
How are you going to feel after you eat these slugs?
I'm gonna feel like a $50,000.
All right, Jill, it's up to you. You get through this, you're in the finals with Ryan and Chandra, you ready?
I'm ready.
Want to put your hair up?
Sure.
8, 9, 10. All right, Jill, you know the drill. You have 4 minutes to eat 10 slugs and 1 shot of bile. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, Jill, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh.
Good.
Rough. Whoa.
Do
I kind of felt that with her.
What are you doing there?
Wiping the slime off, that's pretty smart.
Does that work?
No, because when they break, they
kind of excrete.
They excrete even more.
Come on, Jill. Come on, Jill. You're gonna be fine. Listen, you're tougher than Sean. You do this.
It's coming back.
Come on, Jill. Chew them up. 2.5 minutes left. Come on, Jill. There you go.
How are you peeling?
A lot. Most of it is psychological. Most of it's psychological. That's it. There you go. Get tough. Force yourself.
If she goes, I might go.
I know, me
She's not gonna go. She's not gonna go. She's not gonna go. She's fine. 1:45 left. You got three left, and 2 of them are pretty fat. Come on, Joe. You gotta pick up the pace. Come on. 3 left. That's it. 1:15. Come on, Jill. You gotta move faster. There you go. Come on. Force it down. That's it.
Whoa.
There you go. See?
I know, it's like
crunch
chilling.
time, man. She's gonna get it. There you go. Come on.
Down.
So close. Last one. Come on, Jill. There you go. Come on. Come on, Jill. You're fine. You're gonna get through this.
Okay, now drink the cow bile and you're done.
Yeah! Whoa. Wow.
Oh my God, I hate you all.
No, you don't. You're gonna love us when you win 50 grand. Now, the rubbing, do you think that helped?
I think that pissed him off.
Well, Jill, welcome to the finals. And then there were 3. Congratulations to the 3 of you. You all move 1 step closer to $50,000. Now let's slither on out of here and see what tomorrow has in store for you.
Was the toughest thing I've ever done, and I know that if I can complete that, I can do anything. And I'm ready for some more ass kicking.
Going into round 3, $50,000 on the line. I'm gonna take it to the next level, step it up a notch, kick some ass. I don't wanna go home losing to 2 girls.
My biggest competitor right now is a toss-up between Jill and Ryan. I gotta play the game safely and think of them as my 2 worst enemies.
What's up?
What's up?
Congratulations to the 3 of you on making it to the finals on a particularly difficult fear factor, where the 3 people were eliminated by quitting. It's not going to get any easier here. Here is your final stunt. You will have to traverse from one building to the other by building a bridge with wooden slats on cables. Here's the catch. You only have 3 wooden slats. The contestant that does this the fastest is going to walk away with $50,000 today. We have randomly selected who gets to go first, and Ryan, you are lucky number 1.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, come with me. Let's go. Okay, Ryan, this is it. The final stunt. You're the first guy.
Yep.
Excited?
Yeah, I just gotta push it.
You got to push it?
Yeah, because gotta set the pace in the bar for everyone else.
He's nervous. He has to be.
Well, I'm nervous too. But...
I'm nervous too.
All right, dude. I'll send you off. Good luck. We're gonna get you harnessed up. So you guys excited that Ryan has to go first?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah?
This is a blessing. He still hasn't beat us in anything.
This is it. All right. I think I can do it.
All right, Ryan, you ready? I'm gonna count you down. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go! You guys are the worst trash talkers ever. Okay, well, what do we do?
Come on, you want another woman to beat you again?
Come on, you're so fake. You said that loud enough so he couldn't hear it. What's the matter with you? You're a horrible trash talker, Chandra. And you have to do this.
Oh! Now what?
Now it gets a little harder.
Not even halfway, Ryan. You look kind of shaky. Oh, you better pick that thing up. Oh, my God.
Hang on to that, man. Don't let go.
Ryan, you're going to fall, Ryan.
You will have to traverse from one building to the other by building a bridge with wooden slats on cables.
Oh, you better pick that thing up. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Hang on to that, man. Don't let go.
You're going to fall, Ryan. Oh, that was a close one. He's tired.
This is a lot harder now. Maybe you just move in shorter distances.
Again.
Come on, Ryan. Don't lose it.
Oh, you're down,
Ryan! Is it getting heavy?
It's like, chill.
Come on, Ryan. Inch by inch, you're almost there, man.
Slowly but surely.
Couple more steps. Come on, man. Come on, Ryan. Keep it coming. You're almost there, man.
He did it.
Good job. 17 minutes and 56 seconds.
No good.
Was it much more difficult than you thought it was going to be?
Definitely. Yeah. Hopefully they learned a lot from my technique on how not to do it. I'm sure they'll be able to do it.
17 minutes and 56 seconds. We're going to find out if that holds up. Jill, you ready?
I'm ready.
Come with me. Did you learn anything watching Ryan do that?
I did. I think maybe the 3 planks hinder more than they help.
Why do you think that?
It's just too much to move. I think it would take up too much time. Obviously, he used 2 and he was able to get across okay.
Are you ready?
Sure.
All right, we're going to harness you up and send you off. Good luck. All right, Jill, you ready?
Ready?
This is it. The time to beat is 17 minutes and 56 seconds. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, here she goes.
Uh-oh. What's her technique? Lift?
Don't look down, Jill.
Looks like she's just gonna do 2. 2.5 minutes in, Jill. You're doing great.
How you feeling, Jill? Give us a report.
Legs burning?
Come on, Jill. Keep going.
Wait, is your butt on the board?
No, my ass is not on the board.
All right.
I think it is on the board, Jill.
Come on, Jill.
Good, Jill. Lift it up.
Stop cheating.
7 minutes and 15 seconds in, Jill. Come on.
Come on, Jill.
You're not even halfway here.
You're not going as fast as Ryan was. You gotta move faster.
Just fall.
Come on, Jill. Don't listen to him.
Don't put your butt in there.
4 minutes and 56 seconds to go, Jill. Push. Come on, Jill. Keep it coming. You can rest when you're done. want her to get?
I don't.
Why? You want Ryan?
I'd rather Ryan right now.
Push!
That sounds insane.
17:02. She beat you by 54 seconds, dude.
All right.
Sorry.
No
I'm
problem.
gonna send you packing. Take it easy.
I do have a tough time accepting losing. I didn't put in the effort to make sure I would win, so that is my own mistake that I will have to deal with.
Chill. Get over here. 17:02. Chandra, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Chandra, let's go.
Yeah.
Come on. Chandra, this is it for all the marbles. You know exactly what you have to do.
Right.
You beat 17 minutes and 2 seconds.
Right.
You will win $50,000. You want me to hold your banky?
Please.
I will take good care of it, I promise you.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get you harnessed up.
Okay.
All right, Chandra, you ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go!
God, wait a second.
I have her banky right here. You want to throw some negative mojo on it?
I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Come on, Chandra, let's go! Pick up the pace! You can do it, come on, $50,000!
Take your time. You got a long ways to go.
This is your finish line. Smells a little different than when you gave it to me.
Are you tired, Chandra?
Oh my God.
Come on, Chandra, $50,000! Don't rest! Push! Push! Come on, don't you quit! Come on! Chandra, for $50,000! Five, four, three, one. Congratulations. Jen! That's it! Congratulations! You dropped from the helicopter, you ate the slug, drank the vial. You got the fastest time on this. You are the Fear Factor champion. Congratulations, and evidently fear is not a factor for you.
I am Jill. Hear me roar! Hear me roar!
You are a dork.